Hey YouTube, this is Andrea here, and we are working with Beebeecraft.com crystal beads. I did a haul on these beads. They sent them to me to review, so we're going to review them by using them. So what I'm going to do is build a bracelet. Let's see. We pull out a few. These are gorgeous, gorgeous beads. This is about the length that I want, so that's why I have it pulled out here. And I'm just going to put these beads in a row till I get the right amount. Make sure they're all lined up. So, a couple more. We're going to make a stretch bracelet. Alright, so I ended up, let's see, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 beads for our stretch bracelet. Now I can put this away. These away. And we're going to use the elastic cording that they sent me. Let's see here. It is, sorry, Beebeecraft, yeah, Beebeecraft. And it is white stretch cord. Let's find the end of it. Or let's make an end, because I can't find the end of it. No, we're going to have to make an end. That's okay. I'm just going to pull off about a yard. More like 36 inches. Probably too much for what I need it for, but that's okay. We'll cut it down. Okay, I'm just going to start stringing these beads. You can use a needle to put this through if it's easier for you. The holes on these beads they're pretty big, so I can slide this right through it. I might need more beads. Because this doesn't look like, this looks like half of a bracelet. We'll see. Oh no, it's a whole bracelet. No, we're good. It's a lot more than half. Yeah. Okay, now I want to test it on my wrist. I'm going to put a couple of more beads on there for stretching purposes, because I don't want the white to show through the beads. So let's put on 2 more. Let's get 2 more beads. Alright, now I can tie it together. We're going to make a little knot here. You don't want to tie too tight, because then it just looks funny. Take this side, make a loop, and then pull your string through, and then do the same on the other side. Make a loop, pull your string through, pull real tight. Now you can cut it down. Here. My scissors are bad. I need to sharpen them. And I have a stretch bracelet. That turned out so pretty. I love it. Alright, so let's hang on to this extra thread, elastic thread, because you might need it for something else. Now I want to make a pair of earrings with those white pearls. And I'm going to add the pink beads to them. So we're going to have pink and pearl. And everything I'm using is going to be down below in the description box. So you can click right on that link to get directly to these items. See, I have these little cases that I bought from like the Dollar Tree, and every time I unstring a strand of beads, I can put them in there and not feel like they're all over the place. here. And I'm going to be using some head pins. You only need 2 of those. And then some French wire ear wires. And you only need 2 of those. Unless you're making a lot, like mass production. Okay. I want to put a pearl at the bottom of one of each of these. So that's what you have so far. Then you need your pink ball. And then that's what you have. So you need 2 more pearls. And you have that. Little dainty earrings. I don't know where my round nose pliers are, but not here. Which means someone borrowed them. You're going to make a little loop, and then you should have a little excess, and you're going to twist that around the base of the loop. Then you can nip off the excess. Press that down. Just like so. Then you open your French wire. Close that back up, and that's what you have for an earring. Well, anyway. Okay, and you do the same for the other one. Just turn your your wire around, and then press that wire around the base, the excess wire. Okay, open your French wire, slide your earring on and close the wire. I think this pair of earrings turned out really cute, and it kind of goes with my bracelet. That turned out really pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Everything that I've used comes from Beebeecraft.com. And you can click down below in the box, and all the links to everything is there. Okay, have a great one. Bye.